Hello and welcome. Let's talk about building websites. If you're using WordPress, the foundation of any great site is a solid theme. Today we are exploring Kitpapa. This is our complete 2025 review, where we'll break down everything from their design quality to their support, giving you a clear picture of what to expect. Kitpapa.com serves as a hub for digital goods, specifically highlighting a massive collection of WordPress themes. Their offerings are promoted as being contemporary, adaptable to all screen sizes, and built with SEO best practices in mind. They provide a significant benefit by including premium plugins such as Elementor and Slider Revolution with their themes, effectively reducing extra costs and simplifying the design workflow. The platform is designed to be accessible for users of all skill levels, emphasizing straightforward installation and customization, complemented by a dedicated support team. The pricing structure presents a single limited-time all-access offer. The regular price for their collection of 200-plus Elementor kits is stated as $3,000, but it is currently available at a significant discount with a special offer price of only $49. This single payment of $49 grants full access to the entire library, representing potential savings of $251 according to the promotion. See you later, my dear.